You must have seen a lot of Bollywood celebrities all of a sudden losing a lot of weight, and some even have lost 20 to 25 kgs of weight in a short span of time, like 2 months. So what have they really done to lose all this weight so quickly? Well, there are some weight loss drugs floating in the market these days by the name of Ozempic or Mounjaro, which claim faster and quick weight loss. So in this video, we will understand everything about these weight loss drugs. What are these drugs and how do they help with weight loss? How much do they cost in India? Are there any side effects of taking them? What will happen if I stop taking them? Is this the only way to lose weight? Hi, I'm Prachi Gupta, your nutrition fitness coach. So let's get started. What are these drugs and how do they help with weight loss? A few years ago, scientists at Novo Nordisk, which is a Danish pharmaceutical company, were working on a medicine for type 2 diabetes. They created a drug called semaglutide. This drug was designed to mimic the behavior of a naturally producing hormone called GLP-1 or glucagon-like peptide 1 in our body. Now let's understand what's GLP-1's role in a healthy individual. GLP-1 is a hormone which is released by our gut immediately after we have had food. It acts like a traffic controller for food by telling pancreas to secrete insulin as there is sugar in the blood, by telling liver to stop secreting more sugar in the blood as blood already have enough sugar, by slowing down the movement of food from stomach to small intestines, making us feel full for longer, and also by telling our brain that we are full now and no longer need food. Now, some people develop insulin resistance over time due to factors like type 2 diabetes, genetics, obesity, poor lifestyle, or chronic stress. Due to all this, their GLP-1's natural function becomes weaker. At this time, if we give an extra compound which will mimic GLP-1's behavior in that person's body, then it will eventually help with weight loss as well. Basically, now we have an additional traffic controller to make sure that pancreas secrete insulin to increase sugar uptake in our cells, stop liver from releasing more sugar in the blood, slowing down the food movement from stomach to small intestine, and eventually telling our brain that I'm full and no longer need food. So, you see, main aim of semaglutide compound was to help people with diabetes, but eventually scientists also discovered that diabetes patients are also losing weight because of slower digestion and feeling of fullness. This is exactly where people started using it as a weight loss drug. Now there is another medication called Mounjaro, manufactured by another big pharmaceutical company called Eli Lilly, which works similarly to Ozempic but is a dual action drug. While Ozempic has a compound called semaglutide, which mimics the hormone GLP-1, Mounjaro has tirzepatide, which mimics both GLP-1 and another hormone called GIP, or glucose-dependent insulinotropic polypeptide. Mounjaro does everything that Ozempic does, and in addition, its GIP mimicking capability ensures that pancreas release more insulin and it also taps on fat stores. Thus, Mounjaro gives even more drastic fat loss than Ozempic. So in a summary, Ozempic and Mounjaro has chemical compounds which mimic the behavior of specific hormones in our body, which leads to feeling of fullness for long periods of time and not feeling hungry for even days. Now, how much do they cost in India? Mounjaro, manufactured by Eli Lilly, comes in two formats, vials and quick pens in different dosages, which will cost you anywhere between 3500 INR to 4500 INR for a weekly dosage, and almost similar for Wegovy, which is manufactured by Novo Nordisk. Now let's assume you take these medications continuously for 3 months to reach your target weight goal. Roughly, it will cost you around 42,000 for 3 months and 14,000 for 1 month. Are there any side effects of taking them? Some of the most common side effects of using these weight loss drugs are gastrointestinal issues like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, and bloating. Since this drug will literally kill your natural hunger to consume food, you will develop common vitamins and mineral deficiencies like calcium, vitamin B12, vitamin D, and folate. Extreme muscle loss due to inadequate protein intake, extreme hair fall, loss of suppleness of skin due to water loss. Famous and trending Ozempic face is nothing but a very thin and small looking face with hollow eyes, sunken cheeks, saggy skin and visible lines, giving you a more aged appearance rather than a youthful look. Long-term health risks like pancreatitis and gallstones can also occur. Problem is that there is not enough long-term research or clinical trial data which can clearly indicate how safe these drugs are in the long run. What will happen if I stop taking them? As per this study published on PMC, individuals who stopped taking the weight loss drugs like semaglutide regained approximately 2/3 of the weight they had lost. Meaning if you lost around 20 kgs of weight, you will gain approximately 13 kgs of the weight back. Another Japanese study that tracked 92 people with type 2 diabetes on GLP-1 drugs like Ozempic for 12 months found that while participants lost weight and improved their blood sugar levels, their eating habits told a different story. Emotional eating, like eating when sad or stressed, and restrictive eating patterns showed only temporary improvement and eventually returned to baseline. Now, this suggests that without psychological and behavioral support around food, unhealthy eating patterns are likely to re-emerge despite the benefits of the medication. So, let's be honest. If you don't have serious diabetes, then these drugs are just a shortcut. You didn't fix your eating habits, you didn't make movement part of your life, and you didn't change how you relate to food. So naturally, your old instincts kick back in and all that weight, yeah, it's going to come right back. Is this the only way to lose weight? Unless you have life-threatening diabetes, these drugs might be an option, but only under strict medical supervision. For most of us though, this shouldn't be even on our list. We are already harming our bodies through uncontrollable factors like food adulteration, pollution, poor lifestyle choices, and sedentary habits. And now we are thinking of adding another solution that isn't even necessary. Weight loss isn't as complicated as it seems. It's really about 4 pillars. Fix your diet, move a little every day, maintain a consistent sleep schedule, and drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. The problem? It is not a quick fix. You won't shed dramatic amounts in 1 month. It takes patience, something many people do not have. That's exactly why pharmaceutical giants like Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk are selling these drugs to people without diabetes. The sad truth is, people are ready to spend 15 to 20,000 rupees or even more a month on these medications, but when it comes to consulting a professional, investing in high quality supplements, health trackers or gym memberships, suddenly it feels too expensive. We are willing to pay for the quick fix, but not for the long-term solution that actually works. Let me know in the comment section below if you have taken this shortcut and what were your reasons. If you are looking for sustainable fat loss, then comment transform and I will help you achieve your best self in a healthy and sustainable way. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel as it's absolutely free. And thank you for watching. Bye.